So today I want to talk to you about eyes and eye care. Now, our eyes are so important. They are the window to our souls. They express our emotions so much more than words ever can. And because of all this expressing and communicating, they are in motion constantly. In fact, there are 22 muscles in the eye area, and we blink 10,000 times a day. So it's no wonder that we need to take extra special care of them. Now, this is something that the luxury Swiss skincare brand La Prairie know all too well. They have got a range of eye creams, eye balms, eye serums, eye essences, and they've just launched one new product to the range. This is the Skin Caviar Eye Lift. Now, it's actually the first product of its kind. It's a lifting and firming eye serum, so it's specifically for the whole eye area around the eye, including the upper eye area, which is really unique. Now, the other thing about the eye area is that the skin is finer and more delicate than the rest of our face. It will fall prey to aging sooner. The degradation of collagen and elastin, the area starts sagging and drooping. It's also an area where a lot of us get that puffiness, we might get dark circles, so you really need a targeted product to address all those concerns. So I use the eye lift in the morning usually. I sometimes use it at night as well, but if I'm pressed for time and I have to choose one or the other, I'll go with the morning. And that's because it's a really lightweight, so it sits beautifully under makeup. You can see the packaging, like all La Prairie products, is pretty sensational. So it's got on one side encapsulated caviar beads, and on the other side it's a pink gel cream. When you press it, it actually mixes together in the mechanism, and you've got this really beautiful lightweight lotion. So the two chambers actually keep the two different ingredients separate, and that actually protects the integrity of the ingredients and maintains their freshness. Now, technique is the most important thing with eye creams. You really have to apply them so carefully. You want to avoid dragging the area, which will increase fine lines and wrinkles. So it's all about how you do it. Now, over the years, I've been told by so many dermal estheticians, skin therapists, even dermatologists, that you should use your fourth finger. Now, that's because it is the gentlest of all your fingers. You'll be more inclined to be gentle on your eye area if you use this finger. And once you get into the habit, it's very hard to stop doing it. You know, once you do it, you'll get used to it. The technique I use for this product is very much a patting and rolling technique. So you can actually start on the upper part of the eye, on the eyelid, and then even above the eyebrow, patting it into the eyelid, going from the inside to the out, and moving up each time. You can go back and forth. Now, this is going to help create sort of a web of tightening ingredients that really helps to firm and lift the eye area. And then you can start on the inside and go out, and the inside and go out. And then you've got the press and roll motion. So press and roll, press and roll, press and roll. Now, when I have time, I like to follow with the Skin Caviar Luxe Eye Cream. Now, this is just super hydrating, really indulgent. I love that there's a little spatula, so you get just the right amount. You don't need much with eye creams, because you don't want to leave too much sitting on the skin. You want to let it absorb. And that's again where your technique comes in. And then once that's done, I'm ready to add my eye makeup or hit the pillow, whichever's first. So it really is important taking that time to apply your eye cream properly. It's a step that I used to skip, but now that I'm getting a little bit older, I've realized that I really need to put that little bit of extra effort in to keep my eye area looking young. And as I mentioned, using a little massage technique like this is really important and will make all the difference when you're applying your eye products.